I haven't started a video back home in a while. This feels good. Welcome back to another video. If you enjoy the videos, remember, drop a like, drop a comment, remember to subscribe. I really appreciate it and it helps me out a lot. I've been working on this paper for about 2 hours now. I kind of feel like I deserve a break. You know, I could really get used to these online classes. I think I could.
Yeah. Wonder why they cap on me. 200 racks on me. Yeah. Know I got a pack on me. Yeah. Know I got the pack.
Being back home now is awesome because, I mean, the weather's amazing. I get to do my online classes by the pool. But the best part, you get home-cooked meals.
Wonder why they cap on me. 200 racks on me. Yeah. Know I got a pack on me.
Fellas, I'm not gonna lie. I'm already bored of this self-isolation stuff. I don't really know what to do. I want to make sure these videos are staying interesting, so I guess I'm gonna have to find stuff to do around the house. But this is brutal. For anyone outside of Cayman that might be watching this, Cayman just implemented a new rule stating that anybody that enters the island has to do a self-isolation for 14 days. Because the population here is very small, we have about 60,000 people. The virus could spread very quickly. This is something I hope that everyone's taking very seriously, especially if you live in Cayman. Please self-isolate. Just from traveling back here, if you go and have contact with anyone who's older, it could be devastating and you really don't want that on your hands. So this kind of took a serious turn. My videos don't usually do this, but I felt like that was very necessary. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. It's like 1 a.m. Another day of self-isolation. Been inside for way too long. Missy, Ziggy, come on. I don't know if other people are experiencing this with their online classes as well, but my teachers aren't doing lectures. None of my classes have an online lecture. They've pretty much just posted slides and said, learn the stuff. I'm basically teaching myself. If I could teach myself supply chain, I wouldn't have taken the class. As long as I get a good grade, I'm not gonna complain. We're home, puppies. Look who's home! Hello. 2 days of travel later.
I'm literally delusional still.
What time zone are you on right now?
Almost 1 a.m. my time. But also every place I've traveled today has had a different time zone, so I'm going crazy.
But you have ice and water.
Luxury, baby, a luxury. And pasta, not me, which is noodles in Indonesian.
You're so cultured. Wow.
Terima kasih.
I think I actually
untuk
put more
soup.
noodles. This one.
What?
This one has.
And now we got the whole gang back together.
So what time is it for Taylor now? It's
1 a.m.
1 a.m. in Jakarta.
Being in isolation gives you a lot of time to think and reflect, because you have a lot of time just by yourself. The way that I see it, you have pretty much two options in isolation. You could just hang out, do your online classes, watch a bunch of Netflix, and just sort of relax. Or you can reflect and kind of take this time where everything's shut down and nothing's really happening to focus on what you're gonna do next. I got this big ass whiteboard, put it up on my door. I have all the days of the week labeled out on it, and I really just try to take these 2 weeks of isolation to sort of better myself. I'm creating an upload schedule. I just wanna focus on my creativity, myself in general. I don't know, I got a big ass whiteboard, now I feel like I know a lot of stuff, so. Oh, what do we have cooking up out here?
What are you, blind, man? They're burgers.
Got some mac and cheese down there for a side. Taylor's just on TikTok, probably. Get a little taste test going.
That's not an attractive look.
So good. Woke up this morning and realized that my hair is really long, desperately need a haircut, but all the barbershops are closed, so desperate times, desperate measures. Let's hope I don't mess it up too bad. Got some clippers here. I'm really nervous about this. I've never done this before. I've not watched any tutorials. At least I'm gonna be in isolation for like a week, so if I mess it up too bad, like, so what?
Were you practicing on your chin earlier? Because if it looks like that, you're gonna end up looking disgusting.
What do you mean, bro? This is a vibe.
That's disgusting.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Honestly, for my first time cutting my hair by myself, not terrible. I got the back too. Hopefully you can see that. Not the worst, not the best. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Have a great Monday. It's not Monday right now, but you'll see this on Monday. Stay safe, social distance yourself, and I'll see you on Friday at 10 a.m.